Have you ever wondered what the most popular category on YouTube is? YouTube is a vast universe brimming with a plethora of content, each falling under a unique category. From the symphonies of music to the laughter-filled world of entertainment, the adrenaline rush of gaming to the glamour of beauty and fashion, each category offers a different flavor to satiate our diverse interests. Not to forget the practical realm of how-to and style, where you can learn anything from cooking a gourmet meal to fixing a leaky faucet. And then there's the fascinating domain of science and technology, where you can explore the mysteries of the universe or dive into the intricacies of the latest gadgets. Each of these categories is home to millions of videos, catering to the ever-growing appetites of viewers around the globe. Such diversity makes YouTube a treasure trove of content. Now, let's delve into which of these categories takes the cake. Data speaks volumes, and in this case, it helps us unravel the mystery of popularity on YouTube. Imagine that each view, each subscribe, and every like or comment is a piece of a much larger puzzle. By looking at these pieces, we can start to get a clearer picture of what's really going on. We're talking about vast amounts of data here. We're talking about the millions of views videos rake in, the thousands of subscribers channels amass, and the countless interactions that occur every day. This data doesn't just tell us what's popular now, but it also gives us insights into trends, helping us predict what could be popular in the future. To understand the popularity of YouTube categories, we'll be harnessing this power of data, diving into the numbers and analyzing them in detail. With data at our disposal, we're ready to reveal the most popular YouTube category. Drumroll, please. The most popular category on YouTube is music. Let's dive into some facts and figures that back up this proclamation. A staggering 95% of the most viewed videos on YouTube are music videos. Yes, you heard it right. That's almost all of them. This just goes to show the colossal influence and reach of music on this platform. Music acts as a universal language, transcending boundaries and connecting people worldwide. This global appeal is reflected in the astronomical view counts of music videos on YouTube. From pop to classical, hip-hop to country, music of all genres finds a home and a vast audience here. The engagement rates for music videos are also noteworthy. Fans flock to their favorite artists' channels, eagerly waiting for the next hit single or album. They engage not just through views, but also through likes, comments, and shares, creating a vibrant and dynamic community around the music. Moreover, the fan bases of music channels are colossal. They are not just passive viewers, but dedicated followers who actively engage with the content. They share the videos across different platforms, creating a ripple effect that further enhances the reach and impact of these music videos. Music channels also foster a sense of community among fans. They provide a platform where fans can interact with each other and with the artists themselves, making the music experience more personal and engaging. But it's not just about the numbers. Music has the power to evoke emotions, tell stories, and bring people together. It's a form of expression that resonates with people on a deeply personal level. This emotional connection is a significant factor contributing to music's popularity on YouTube. Yet, the realm of YouTube is vast and varied. While music may be the reigning king, it's not the only player in the game. Different categories cater to different interests and demographics, each with their unique appeal and fan base. So, music is the reigning king on YouTube, but that's not the whole story. While music holds the crown, there's another category quickly rising in the ranks: gaming. In the vast expanse of YouTube, a new champion has been steadily gaining ground, captivating audiences with its dynamic content and interactive nature. Yes, we're talking about the gaming category. From humble beginnings, this genre has evolved into an entertainment titan with a meteoric rise that's hard to ignore. Just a decade ago, the concept of watching someone else play a video game was a novelty, a niche interest at best. But today, it's a phenomenon. Gaming has transformed from a solitary pastime into a spectator sport, and YouTube has been instrumental in this shift. Let's crunch some numbers. In the past year alone, the hours of gaming content watched on YouTube have skyrocketed by 60%. That's right, 60%. The numbers are staggering, but they're just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the gaming world's influence. And it's not just about the viewers. The creators themselves are becoming household names, with subscriber counts that rival those of top musicians and movie stars. Channels like PewDiePie, Markiplier, and Ninja have amassed millions upon millions of followers, all tuning in to watch their favorite gamers navigate virtual landscapes, tackle challenging quests, and share their unique commentary. But what's fueling this surge in popularity? Part of it is the immersive nature of gaming, which allows viewers to vicariously experience the thrill of the game. Part of it is the camaraderie, the sense of community that comes from sharing a common interest. And part of it is the sheer entertainment value, the unpredictable twists and turns that keep viewers on the edge of their seats. The rise of gaming on YouTube is more than just a trend. It's a testament to the ever-evolving nature of entertainment, the shifting tastes of audiences, and the power of interactive content. Gaming might not be the most popular yet, but its rapid growth could make it a contender for the crown. So, what does this mean for you, as a viewer or content creator? Well, understanding the most popular YouTube categories can be a powerful tool. For viewers, it's a way to find content that resonates with you, to discover creators who share your passions. For creators, it offers a roadmap to potential niches that might be untapped, areas where your unique voice could make a real impact. Sure, music and gaming are heavy hitters, but don't forget that YouTube is a platform of diversity, and there's an audience for every type of content. From cooking to comedy, DIY crafts to documentaries, the opportunities are vast. The beauty of YouTube is in its variety, its ability to cater to every interest, every curiosity. So, go explore, create, and share. Don't be afraid to venture into uncharted territory. Whether you're a fan of music or a gaming enthusiast, YouTube has something for everyone. And who knows? Your favorite category might just be the next big thing on YouTube.